Good morning, everyone. This is Brian Weber from technicalanalysisresearch.com. We're looking at the euro here again. The euro is looking a little bit bullish this morning. We haven't had the flat Asian session that we saw over the last few days. We've actually saw some momentum during the Asian session as prices are raised up towards their resistance point, the 131.72 area that we were looking at yesterday. We saw prices print a session low yesterday around the 131.66 before the decline. Yesterday was just a volatile day. We had to move up, and immediately with them we had to move down in the opposite direction. So there was an untrended day. It was just a range day yesterday, with a high of 131.66 and a low of 130.68. That made trading a little bit tricky on the euro dollar. But today what we've got is a little bit of a trend starting to take shape on the intraday charts here. I've also got the moving averages just starting to separate and trend up as well, after recently taking a bounce off that 131.30 support through Asia here. So we do have a little bit of a trend line starting to develop here as well on the chart. So overall, with the chart being bullish and is approaching that resistance, we do have some economic news coming out of Europe this morning. The German IFO is being released about 9 a.m. British Standard Time. So if that is positive, then we will see a bust up of this resistance point and probably push up to session. More likely weak highs up at the 132.01, 132.12. These are the resistance points that have not been tested. So what we're expecting, of course, they could go the other way. We'll talk about shorts very shortly, but looking at the long side, what we'll be looking for is an actual break of this 131.66, 131.72. Again, similar to yesterday, what we're looking for is that to hold as support, and then we're going to look to get long. If that does hold as support, look for a buy signal to get long in the market, and that takes us up towards that 131.85. Followed by the 131.32 and then the 132.12 region. So really a break above that 131.66, 131.72, pull back, hold it as support, get the buy signal to go long up towards 131.85, 132.01, 132.12. Quite possibly we could even go higher than that up towards the 132.40 level up here. There's no resistance from about 132.12 and leading up to that 132.40 level, so there is clear air there to get that high. So the 131.66 up towards the 131.72 area is going to be really our significant area on the chart today that we should look for buying opportunities. Okay, so again we're looking for a bust out, a pullback, hold it as support, get the buy signal to go long, and trade this up to these various different resistance levels. If we get the buy opportunity today, okay. For the sell opportunity, what we're looking for is a bust out of the 131.30, 131.20 zone down here. Okay, this is our sell zone here today. And similar, we're just looking for a bust out, a pullback, a sell signal at this zone, and we're going to get short down towards that 13100 level, and even down towards the yesterday's low and the previous day's low, around that 130.68, 130.56 zone. Okay, so we saw a low here yesterday, and also the day before there was a low down to that, where's that 130.056. Okay, so if we can get the breakout here, breakout, pullback, sell signal for the continuation, and our targets are down here. Okay, so our sell zone is at 131.20 up towards that 131.30. Our buy zone today is that 131.66 up towards that 131 132.72, and our targets for the buy, if you get that, will be that 131.85, 132.01, 132.12, and even higher at that 132.40 level. Okay guys, pretty short video today, but have a good one.